To our top story this morning, after the major twists and turns that we saw in the Hathras case, the SIT has intensified its probe. Sources have told India Today that the SIT investigating Hathras case has summoned victims' neighborhood. 40 villagers who were present in the surroundings of the crime scene on 14th of September have been summoned. The summoned villagers include eyewitnesses of 19-year-old victim's cremation as well. And SIT has already questioned the family members of two accused and has met the victim's family. It is now likely to recreate the crime scene as well. This is coming a day after the accused alleged that the victim was killed by her own family and that they are innocent.
The special investigation team set up by the UP police is intensifying its probe into the death of a 19-year-old Dalit girl in Hathras. The SIT has summoned 40 people from the village who were present around the scene of crime when the alleged gang rape took place. One of the witnesses speaking to India Today claimed he saw the accused helping the victim.
मेरे घर खबर करो आपके सामने बोला हाँ है नहीं उसकी मदद नहीं की उसको मदद पानी लाया हुआ वो और लाए रे पानी उठाए रे माँ बैठी है कौन वो लब कुछ नाम का लड़का है वो पानी लाया हुआ भर के मेरे सामने तो जेल में वो पानी लेके आया पन्नी में वही मान की बेटा ये तड़प रही है पानी लेके आया बाकी लब कुछ वो बराबर पे चारों काट रही है लब कुछ की माँ और लब कुछ
The accused had earlier written to the police from the jail claiming the victim died after her family assaulted her in the fields. The victim's family is alleging there is an attempt to subvert their investigation. They are refusing to immerse the ashes of the victim till they get justice.
बचत अभी नहीं करेंगे जब तक न्याय नहीं होगा जब तक नहीं बचत करेगी और ये भी जब तक पूरी तरह से पता नहीं पड़ जाएगी हस्तियां जब तक हम नहीं करेंगे.
A plea filed by the victim's family seeking free movement and permission to meet people was rejected by the Allahabad High Court on Thursday. The police have now tightened the security of the victim's family.
पर्याप्त संख्या में अब पुलिस बल है. इसके अलावा नियमित रूप से जो पीड़ित परिवार है उनसे भी बातचीत की जाती है और उनके द्वारा जो भी चीजों की सुझाव या उनको जो रहता है उस संदर्भ के अंदर हम लोग के द्वारा आवश्यक कार्रवाई की.
Meanwhile, politics over Hathras horror continues.
जहां कहीं भी कुछ इनका गवर्नेंस में गलती हो जाती है तो उसको कॉन्स्पिरेसी बना दिया जाए. ये तो पुरानी कहानी हो चुकी है. इसमें कोई सच्चाई नहीं है. कब तक अपनी नाकामियों को आप इस तरह की बातों में छुपते रहेंगे? ये असल इनकी नाकामी है.
कैसे कैसे लोग, राजनीतिक दलों के लोग, विभिन्न संगठनों के लोग किस तरीके से दंगा कराने पे उतारू थे, यह दृश्य आपने देखा होगा. पिछले एक सप्ताह से आप देख रहे होंगे कैसे माहौल को खराब करने का प्रयास हो रहा है. ये षड्यंत्र होते रहेंगे लेकिन हमें आगे बढ़ना है.
In Hathras case, both victim and accused are demanding justice. The accused continue to demand CBI probe and the Central Investigative Agency is yet to begin its investigation despite 6 days pass from the order that was issued from the UP government. In the meanwhile, today the special investigative team of the state government called 40 people to record their statements in this entire case, which is likely to continue for next few days. Reporting at Ground Zero in Hathras with Shakil Ahmed, this is Ashutosh Mishra for India Today.
Shivin is now joining us live for the very latest reporting from Hathras. Shivin, why don't you get us all these facts on grounds? There are so many twists and turns that are coming in from Hathras after the tragic assault and the tragic assault of that woman really took place. There was a dying declaration as well. SIT probing this. What is going on in Hathras at the moment, Shivendra?
See, we can clearly say that like suspicion is like getting darker day by day in this Hathras case as of now, because nothing is coming up concrete in this case since this all probe started by SIT. till now, CBI has not started its investigation. So all onus goes on SIT team. That's why they are questioning 40-odd people who are associated with case. This case, be it like victim family, accused family, eyewitnesses and policemen as well. They have been summoned, given notice, and they are coming one by one, and they are being questioned. Through them, SIT is trying to connect the all pieces of this puzzle, which is getting very difficult for SIT as of now. So it is a challenge for them because they have to submit the report on 16th of this September to UP government, and before that they have to give clear answer that who is accused in this case, and on the basis of that they have got 10 days extension for the SIT probe team. And also SIT is also like trying to know what was the leniency done by police officials, which was earlier focus of SIT team, but now widening its area of investigation, they have started like investigating that who else are involved in this case and who is actual culprit for killing that girl. And that is big challenge for them because nothing has come up concrete in this case. That's
all right, we'll come back to you for more on this, but lots of twists and turns coming in as far as the Hathras tragedy is concerned.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.